Thank you for buying this 10022 folding screen from FixtureDisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 10022 on FixtureDisplays.com. These are all the components. We have base support, the frame itself, a white sheet of fabric properly sized, and magnets. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. To assemble the unit, we're going to line up the holes on the support with the holes on the tube lower portion of the frame, align the holes, and then fasten with 2 screws. You do not have to look for nuts. The holes are pre-threaded. Now certainly you can assemble the frame, install the frame to your wall or other places where you don't need the stand, and feel free to do so. Now we're going to demonstrate how to install a piece of fabric if you choose to do so. We are using magnets and they do a okay job to holding the fabric. However, if you have a situation you want to stretch the fabric, or it's pretty windy, you may consider other means of fastening. You can easily drill holes and tap the metal, then fasten with a screw, or you don't have to tap them, you just use wood screw to fasten. Certainly you have to size the screw properly. The dims of the unit is 18 inches wide, 16 inches deep, and 68 inches tall. It weighs about 11 pounds. We now put it on spinner. We'll give you 360-degree views of the unit. If you like our product, we can really use a good review. This will be great for homes, offices, or even for your back garden or a wall decoration, either inside or outside your house or your building. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.